we have been hearing a lots about the AI quantum computing and lately, and honestly, it is exciting and good for the reason today I want to introduce you to and the AI that is not just an impressive but also the AI that is actually understanding the concept of the good and ethical AI according to makers stick with here facing the more going on of fascinating. First thing first, the global AI marketing has been growing phenomenally with the revenue reaching $433 billion in the 2022, and accordingly to the report by the McKinsey, AI cloud creating the $30 trillion in the value in mid between the 2030, boosting the global GDP outstanding, increasing the just imagine the enormous opportunity and the potential that the AI offering. This is a kindly of the explosive growth thing we are talking about. The when AI has become a long way since it is easy to start with the simple machine and how we can advance AI system that can with the process complex data, make predictions as they even learning on their own. According to the Stanford study, AI performance has been improved by an average of the 10 to 30% each year. It is a pretty crazy, right? But that is even more increasing in that way anonymously evil. It is not just about the processing power anonymous forefront of the evil. Now let's talk about the cloud built by the tech startup Anthroponics and Super AI is a setting of the new standard and operations on the quantum computing backbone, and to be honest that is a real game changer being discussed with the first thing. Quantum computing would be seen be integrated into the advancement of the AI artificial intelligence, and it is happening the quantum computing tops into the quantum machine the realms of the physics, and that is a property of source storage the forecastings, and that is AI cloud to be the processing and the handling massive amount of the data in no time according to the IBM quantum computing. IBM quantum computing could be the possible to fast and traditional computing here and cool fast for you. Cloud recognize whole books like a great gets trophy and a 60-second just imagine time you write a book with quickly, and I can't either increase impressive isn't how doesn't a cloud it is well it is has been huge context that a Windows which is basically that AI short-term memory now, so give you the idea of the average human's short-term memory can hold 7 in 9 items, but the context Windows that is handle the 1 lakh tokens about the 75,000 words cloud and easy the up perform previous AIS that has smaller windows. Honestly that is a huge jump ahead in the AI technology, but that is even the more amazing in the ethical parts of you can cloud is the more than just you. All right, now let's little differ into the what we cloud ethical constitution. It is a totally concurrent with the word artificial intelligence, and it is just fascinating. It is a ethical constitution. It is like a rule book that is guide cloud of decision. It is based on our universe human value like a respect of the individual rights and freedom quality things that you. So why does the AI need to such a thing? You will imagine if you had a intelligence and didn't know right from the wrong and just processing with the data. Any ethical consideration that is be right to but not wrong. Constitutions cloud to train to recognize and understanding ethical norms. Here the cool part of the ethical framework it isn't a hard cloud computing programming. It is learn. This means cloud adopt the behavior over the time as discussed more than understanding the nuclear of ethical behavior more accurately. It is doesn't stay from the path of the right house. And honestly I have got to say that so it means like a lots of supports I need to buy your site. So thanks, we are stopping here, so you can also subscribe my channel and also join my community group. Thank you, and also support for growing our community.